In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the engine air filter on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood, let's get started. Let's locate the engine air filter box. It's gonna be in the front of the engine on the driver's side. There's gonna be 5 clips that we need to be unclipping in order to remove it. We're gonna have the first one right here, and all we need to do is move it that way, and we're gonna be doing the same with the rest. And there's gonna be one more in the back. Now we can go ahead and lift on the lid and slide the filter out. Now we can go ahead and install the new one, and we're gonna be sliding it in the same way the old one came out. Make sure it's even on all corners. Go ahead and slide it in the back. Line it up with all of the clips, and we can start clipping them in. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.